Hello my dear friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel NTNet GRF Environmental Science. Friends, today we are going to cover the topic which is from Unit 6 Environmental Pollution. Okay, so let us start the video. Friends, what we are going to cover in this video, that is the introductory part of environmental pollution and type of environmental pollution, and briefly we will discuss definitions of air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, marine pollution and thermal pollution, as well as radioactive pollution. So friends, what is environmental pollution? So before discussing environmental pollution, we should know what is the meaning of pollution. So pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment, and these harmful materials are called pollutants. So when these are present in environment, so we can say that is the condition of environmental pollution. So major forms of pollution include air pollution, light pollution, littering, noise pollution, plastic pollution, soil contamination, radioactive contamination, thermal pollution, visual pollution and water pollution. So friends, now we will talk about each type of environmental pollution and see the definitions. So there are major following types of pollution, that is air pollution. Air pollution is the release of chemicals and particulates into the atmosphere which are harmful for the human health or animals and plants health. Okay, so friends, for example, common gaseous pollutants include carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons and nitrogen oxides and particulate matters. So especially if you talk about nitrogen oxide, that is produced by industry and motor vehicles, and photochemical ozone and smog are created as nitrogen oxides and hydrocarbon react to sunlight. So now if you talk about particulate matters or fine dust, that is characterized by their micrometer size, that is PM10, PM2.5. Okay, so the next type of water pollution and this kind of pollution is any chemical, physical or biological change in the quality of water that has a harmful effect on any living things that drink or uses or lives in it. When humans drink polluted water, it often has serious effect on their health. For example, water pollutants like sewage treatment plant discharge, industrial effluents, oil spill, pathogens such as bacteria, virus, fungi are the main source of water. Uh, these cause water pollution. Okay. Now the third type of pollution is soil pollution, which is defined as the buildup in soils of persistent toxic compounds, chemicals, salts, radioactive materials or disease causing agents which have adverse effects on plant growth and animal health. So the next one is noise pollution. So noise pollution क्या है friends? So it is unwanted or excessive sound that can have deleterious effects on human health and environmental quality. In other words, noise pollution is the excessive sound level that can disturb human or animal life. In addition to transit infrastructure, vehicles, cars, trucks, airplanes and construction activity all contribute to ambient noise levels in cities. Noise pollution, so it can affect human health. And the next one is the marine pollution. So marine pollution is, or oceanic pollution, we can define it as the discharge of chemicals, industrial waste, sewage or nutrient and pesticide into the ocean, which creates such kind of condition which is harmful for aquatic organisms. Okay, or aquatic living bodies. So in other words, marine pollution refers to direct or indirect introduction by humans of substances or energy into the marine environment, including estuaries, resulting in harm to living resources, hazards to human health, hindrances to marine activities, including fishing, impairment of quality of sea water, and reduction of amenities. And the next, that is the radioactive pollution. So the radioactive pollution is defined as the physical pollution of living organisms and their environment as a result of release of radioactive substances into the environment during nuclear explosion and testing of nuclear weapons. Nuclear weapons production and decommissioning, mining of radioactive ores, handling and disposal of radioactive waste, and accidents at nuclear power plants. And finally, the last kind of pollution which we have to cover, that is thermal pollution. So its definition is any deviation from the natural temperature in a habitat and can range from deviated temperature associated with industrial cooling activities to discharge of cold water, or we can say hot water, into streams below large impoundments is known as thermal pollution. So these were the various kinds of or various types of environmental pollution, friends. In the next video we shall discuss about air pollution, type of air pollutants, and what are the standards and criteria, as well as what are the controlling measures of air pollutants. Thanks for watching this.